I make UGC content for a living and I want to show you guys how I set up for a video shoot at home and make it look professional. So let's go. These are the tiles that I use. I got them from Home Depot. Okay, so I pretty much just line them up like this and make sure that the sunlight is hitting it and that there won't be any shadows on the surface while I'm recording. And then now I'm gonna just set everything up. I actually am gonna clean this before I do anything. Alright, that looks pretty good. So the brand is asking me to recreate something similar to this. I have to make a mocktail, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. They want me to recreate this mocktail video. I'm gonna do the best that I can. I got this little phone tripod that I can just open like this. It's so convenient. Yeah, I'll just do that. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that I have for this. I have chamoy, I have tahini, I have brand's product, which is Calm & Co. These little Calm & Tonic packets. I have a margarita mix, some sparkling lemon water, and then I just have some ice, lime, water over there. That is all I need for this. First, I need to put the chamoy on the plate. Straight. Put it on the plate. Does that look right? I'll put tahini on there. Pretty good to me. Cool. In the center. Yeah. Now we have to add lime juice and water to the shaker bottle. Move this, use the shaker bottle. Middle there. Lime juice and water. Lime juice. That's good. A little bit of water. This is the You Relax packet. Open this, pour this in there. Ready to mix in there. Lid on here. Pour into glass and add sparkling water. So now we bring the glass back. Add this to it. A slice of lime. I like this one. Wow. Look at that. I just made a mocktail. Lid on here. Wow, okay. And this is the finished product. This is what the entire setup looks like. This is the mocktail, and then they want me to do a script with it, take some clips of it, and there you have it. Simple setup, just some Home Depot tiles for like literally 10-15 bucks, and then you have a professional UGC style studio set up anywhere. You just need good lighting, and that's all you need. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.